Billions of cells inside your body know exactly what to do. How does your brain tell your muscle to move, or how do immune cells know when bacteria attack? Surprisingly, cells don't talk with words. They communicate using tiny chemical messages. In this video, we'll learn cell communication in the easiest way possible. So, before we understand how our body works, we first need to understand cell communication. Our body contains trillions of cells. These cells cannot survive alone. They constantly exchange information with each other, just like people send text messages or make phone calls. Now, the question is, how does one cell communicate with another? The answer is simple. One cell releases a chemical message, another cell receives that message, understand it, and then respond. Think of it like a WhatsApp message. One person sends the message and another person read it and then replies. So the cell communication in almost the same way, but instead of text messages, they use special signaling molecules. Moving forward, so what is ligand? A ligand is a simply chemical messenger. Its job is to carry information from one cell to another. Examples of ligand may include hormones like insulin, growth factors, and neurotransmitters. You can think of a ligand as a key or a delivery package carrying information or important instruction, right? But this message will only be accepted by the correct cell. And the receptor is a special protein found on the surface or inside a cell. Its job is to recognize and bind only the correct ligand. Just like a lock and key structure, the ligand is a key and the receptor is the lock. Only the right key fixes the right lock. Once the ligand binds to the receptor sends the message inside the cell telling it what action to take. Okay, so when the receptor receives the signal, the work is not finished. The message now travels through a signaling pathway, and a signaling pathway is simply a series of steps inside a cell that passes the messages from one protein to another. So the extracellular signal molecule came and binds to a receptor. Receptor sends it and produce a signal. That is a transduction cascade of intracellular responses, the signal that is produced when a ligand is bind to a receptor. And the final thing that is the output, the final cellular response in which cell may divide or cell may differentiated into different cells. So this is the pictorial representation of cellular communication. One cell produce signal molecules, and these signal molecules get attached to the receptor of another cell, triggering the transduction pathway. After the transduction pathway get activated, they produce some response, like a cell may get divide or a cell may stop divide. It all depends on the type of a signal molecule.